In this Giant PLR Kit review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to over 20,000 done-for-you private label rights products that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits or even give away as bonuses to make your affiliate commissions go sky high. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Giant PLR Kit, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, brand new, the biggest collection of done-for-you PLR assets you've ever seen in our market. Get instant access to 15,000 PLR articles, 3,000 PLR ebooks, 3,000 PLR image quotes, 300 PLR motivational videos, etc., etc., etc. Here, a giant collection of done-for-you PLR assets that you can turn into your own products and sell for huge profits or giveaways, bonuses, and explode your affiliate commission. So essentially, this is just done-for-you products that you can use. Again, like they said, you can sell them, you can use them as bonuses, which I think is really a valuable thing as an affiliate marketer, being able to have extra bonuses. You get full private label rights and master resale rights included with them. So you've got a ton of rights included with this. It's a low one-time price. You get all these extra things here. Now, they show some proof of affiliate commissions that they've done using bonuses. Of course, I mean, there's other factors that come in there, but using bonuses is a very important part of doing affiliate marketing. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, you need to have bonuses if you're going to be doing it, and this could solve that problem for you. Also, make sure that you move your mouse away on the sales page. You can get a $2 off discount coupon. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back and show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Do you ever get sick of all this stuff? Forever chasing that elusive silver bullet? Buying product after product, hoping that this one is the one? The miracle moneymaker? Perhaps a miracle isn't what you need. Maybe you'd just like to finally make some money online. Maybe you're sick and tired of the whole thing, but thought you'd take a look at this anyway. One last shot. I get it. Been there, honestly, have absolutely been there. So let me get straight to the details of this for you. In 60 seconds you can have your hands on 23,000 high quality PLR assets for just $12.95 for the whole lot. That's 0.0005 each, or less than a 20th of a cent each. But why would you want them? Well look, I've done over $2 million in sales online, and it all started with one piece of PLR. And I paid $5 for that one piece. So if I can do 2 million with one, what could you do with 23,000? If you paid $5 each for them, you'd be spending $115,000 here today. So how about I give you a $114,987.50 discount? Sound fair? Imagine having your own giant product library ready to start selling in seconds. Of course, we should be charging more like $9.97 at least for this. So this is a complete no-brainer, and it is giant. Introducing the Giant PLR Kit, and take a look at the kind of quality you can expect to get. But what do 23,000 assets look like? Well, 5 ebooks look like this. 10 would look like this. This would be 50. This would be 500. This would be 3,000, and this would be 23,000. So many images that even made my fans kicking on my computer. Now look, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. And for me, that one piece of PLR literally changed my life. Hey, I'm Trevor, and I'd like to say thanks to you for checking this out. I also want to say this, that it was only just a few years ago that I myself was typing into Google how to make money online. I found all sorts of opportunities, and I'm sure you've done the same. I bought a lot of products and they turned out to be completely useless and they didn't make me a penny. It seems that the products that I was buying were making the product creators money by selling the product and not by the stuff that was taught inside the product. Sound familiar? So in the end, I decided that the way for me to make money online was to become a creator, a product vendor. And I took one piece of PLR, it cost me $5, and I turned that into $8,000 in my first launch. I then created a product called Pimper that taught people how to do what I'd just done with that one piece of PLR that did $8,000, and that launch did over $35,000. Fast forward to today, and I've done over $2 million in sales online. And I don't say that to brag, I just say that to show you what's possible. And it all came from one piece of PLR. Now, in the Giant PLR Kit, we're offering you 23,000 PLR assets for such a small price that they'll end up costing you 0.0005 cents each, or 20th of a cent per PLR asset. Now, PLR means private label rights, and that basically means that you can completely do whatever you want with them. You can rename them, rebrand them, put your name on them. You can pimp them, turn them into products that you can sell and keep all the money, or do what I like to do, which is use them as bonuses. You can absolutely skyrocket your commissions in your affiliate promotions by offering the right bonuses. And in these 23,000 assets, I'm sure you'll find something that fits really, really well. Of course, in this day and age of AI as well, you could take, for example, any of those 15,000 PLR articles and get them rewritten by AI, just like that, and you've got new products again. You could do that with any of the ebooks. In fact, you can use AI to recreate any of these PLR assets. They are yours to do with what you want. But the important thing is here is that I turned my business into a multi-million-dollar business from one piece of PLR, and you're getting 23,000. So if you're sick and tired of buying all the rubbish that really doesn't work, and you want something tangible, something that's got real value, something that can really make a difference in your online business, then the Giant PLR Kit is for you. Click on the buy button now, and I'll also throw in my original Pimper training ebook that teaches you how I took that one piece of PLR and pimped it into over $8,000 on my first launch. So you'll even have my secret recipe for success when it comes to making the most out of PLR. Now, I think we're possibly a few grapes short of a bunch for letting this go so cheaply, but that's all good for you. So go ahead and click on the buy button right away. You simply cannot lose with this, and it's covered by a full 30-day money-back guarantee.
Okay, so after you purchase, you'll have access to the members area where you can download all your different assets, access all your different bonuses, etc. right inside the members area. There are multiple upgrades. Now, the first one here is going to give you 10,000 PLR articles added into your account, 1,000 ebooks, 2,000 image quotes, 400 motivational videos, all these extra things added into your account. Now, if you move your mouse away, it looks like it just kind of reminds you of this offer. I don't believe that there is a downsell. Nope, no downsell for this. It just continues on in the sales funnel. So the next one here that you're going to see is says you get instant access to his $1 million pimping PLR membership. You can discover simple hacks that he uses to spin PLR into huge profits. So if you're trying to learn how he was able to make spin $5 into over $8,000, you can get access to this right here. They've got another one that they'll actually do all the work for you. And it looks like you get your own full funnel of products without doing any work. They have the sales page, the sales copy, record the video, all that done for you. And the last one is you're going to be able to get access to their coaching offer. This is obviously going to be a group coaching. There's no downsells or anything for this. If you want to really learn how to make money online from them, then you can join this. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Giant PLR Kit and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, if you just buy this and you don't do anything with it, you just kind of download it onto your computer, it's not going to do anything for you. So just know these are for people that are action takers, for people that either are going to sell them or use them as bonuses. What do I like about this? Bonuses are so important. If you've always asked, like, okay, I see that everyone's doing bonuses and whatnot, but I don't have any bonuses to give away, then this is your chance to get a ton of extra bonuses. If that's you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Giant PLR Kit review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.